Hello, my name's Daniel Barshad, and you are looking at my picture I did in this year called Skylines. My picture I chose here includes the following: line, texture, and color. The line in my picture are on the buildings, and the texture represents the fence. Example: in my picture, the fence is prickly. The color in my picture is on all of the buildings and even the sky and ground. Now, those are all of the elements of art on my picture I drew. Now, I will show you the principles of design on it. The contrast in my drawing are the popping colors on the buildings and the colors of the blue sky and the green grass. Thank you for listening to my